name is Naila Amarita Shakaravion, and my student number is 2024-32051. Okay, in this video, I will explain the steps of the forward chaining process and how the system works during our practicum. So let's get started to the step. Okay, for the first step is knowledge base. Okay, first the process starts with the knowledge base, and this is where all the training programs and their record skill indicators are stored, and each training has its own list or record indicators like a role that tells the system which training fits which skill. Okay, next step is variable initialization. Two important variables are created in this step, and the first one is called database check, which store the record of the reasoning process, and the second one is fakta baru, which stores any new information for training recommendation found by the system. Next step is user input and indicators. In this step, the user will input the indicators they already have. The program also shows a short explanation about the forward chaining method and makes the display clear and easy to read. Next step is inference process. And here the main logic begins. The system reads all indicators entered by the user and start comparing them with the rules in the knowledge base. It continues to the check until no new information is found. Step 5 is role matching. In role matching, the system checks if the user indicators match to any training rules in the knowledge base. If there's a match, the training is marked as recommended and the result is saved for a later display. Next step is showing the result. After the checking process, the program displays the results. If there are matching trainings, the will appear as recommendations, and if not, the program will tell the user that no suitable training is found. Next step is standard model with Colab. This step ensures that the program can run smoothly not only in the Google Colab but also in the other environment like VS Code or the terminal. Okay, step 8 is mapping the indicators, and here the interface is prepared so that each indicator can be organized correctly, and it also adds a button called the get recommendation and output area to display result neatly. Next step is running the interface and error handling. For this part, connects to the button with its function. When the user clicks the button, the program checks the select indicators, runs the forward chaining logic, and show the recommendation. It also includes an error handler in case some models are not available. Step 10 is manual input mode. If the program is not run in Colab, user can still input indicators manually through the terminal. This makes the program more flexible to use anywhere. Okay, step 11 is showing the list indicators. Before users starts typing, the system display all valid indicators in a clear number list, and helps users to see all available options before entering their choice. The next step is taking manual input, and here users type their indicators one by one. If they type done, it means they have finished, and the system will continue to the inference process. Next step is redisplaying the list. If the user forgets to the available indicators, they can type list to see them again before continuing. Next step is empty input validation. In this step, if the user presses enter without typing anything or click anything, the system will show a message saying that the input cannot be empty. Next step is indicator validation. In indicator validation, if the user enters something that is not in the valid list, the program will show a warning and display the valid indicators again. And the last step is saving indicators and running interface inference. Finally, the system save all valid indicators, remove duplicates, and runs at the forward chaining process to give the final training recommendation based on the user's input. And this is the result of the practicum. In the end, if the indicators match the knowledge base, the program will recommend the most suitable training. But if they don't match, it will say that no training is available. And this shows how to forward chaining method works, starting from noun phase, processing them step by step, and finally giving a conclusion or recommendation. That's all for my explanation of the forward chaining practicum. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.